We've played around with the Chinese version of the Mimas because it came out actually a while back in November of 2018. This is the English version finally here. So you can see some specs on the back. They did put this little sticker on there. We do not know if this is going to change on the final version, but as we know it, this is the full retail packaging. So there's some specs right down there. You can pause the video at any point in time. 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gig memory, USB Type-C, micro SD, etc. And 4700 milliamp battery, which is huge. The box is very nice, very high-end. You have this embossed buttons down below that show off the physical page turn buttons and everything they have there. Very yellow themed, so it's gonna mess with the white balance just a bit. And then on the back there's nothing, it's just white. The box is really thick cardstock, you can see there, extremely thick, very nice. A lot of people don't look at that, and I think it's important to look at all aspects of the box because it shows you what kind of company they are. This is actually foam. You can push that in. I'm just going to push it in and put a little dent. This is very nice foam that is protecting the device, so during shipment it's not going to bang up against the roof of the box. I'm just going to go ahead and put that off to the side for now. This is the included screen protector that they give you for free, and actually when you order this device, they don't only give you the device itself, they give you a case, and this case comes included. You don't have to buy this separately. If you did not get one, you should contact who you got them from because they should all have a case. It says Mimas on the bottom. Looking at the rest of the device here, we have the start guide. I'm not going to go through actually, you know what? I will go through every single page because this is an unboxing video and there's not much to show. So you can go ahead and just pause the video at any point in time. The rest is in Chinese, so that's all that one is. Likebook Mimas. Certification sticker. Can read some of that, but doesn't always mean the same thing in English as it does in Japanese. You can open it from this side. Man, it's hard to get that out sometimes. And this will be the micro USB, the USB-C with the stylus removal tool and some nibs. So that's very important to note as well. How am I supposed to get this out? My finger isn't long enough to push it to the other side. There we go. That was actually, that was like a puzzle. So USB-C, USB-C makes for faster charging, faster data transfer. There's only advantages for USB-C, and these are the little nibs and the plucker tool, and the stylus is right here. So, oh, it's black. I thought it was gonna be white. And here's the stylus. Looking at this, you do have a button on the side, button at the back, the nib at the tip. It pushes in a little bit, and it doesn't need to be powered or anything like that, so that's actually a very good plus in the you know, in the Mimas's corner, is that it doesn't need to be powered. So we're going to finally look at the English version of the Mimas. The back is a very nice plastic. It is incredibly smooth. That is very smooth. All the logoing is raised, so you can actually feel that it says Likebook and Mimas. This thing is crazy. So you have the power button up top right there. You have nothing on this side, nothing on the other side, and everything happens down here, you can see. So you have the LED indicator light, you have a micro SD card slot, you have a USB-C, you have a microphone, you have a headphone jack, you have dual speakers, and you have little tiny Torx screws that you can remove if you want to take this thing apart. They did not leave anything out. They pulled off all the stops. This thing is absolutely jam-packed with features. You don't have to worry about getting Bluetooth speakers or, you know, basically any sort of outside audio, because it has onboard audio, which is unheard of usually in devices, but this is what we are faced with. And you can see here, I can click English. It's going to change to English, change to welcome, That right there is the video. You can change this to English. So for an unboxing of the Likebook Mars, this is Peter, and if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know. Thanks so much.